This is a Toyota Prius 2013, and in this car issue is the cigarette lighter is not working. Check it, it's not working, so today I'm solving the problem. Here is the fuse box. Is there is the fuse box. So open this fuse box cover. This cover is the fuse box cover is the under the glove box. So I'm find out the cigarette lighter fuse. On the cover is written is 15 ampere there's a cigarette lighter fuse is a 15 ampere. So I'm find it, and this cover is put like this. So is the first fuse is the 15 ampere is cigarette lighter fuse. So I use this one to pull out the fuse. This fuse I think is burned, so I'm put new one. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. So I'm put new one. Here's new fuse. So I'm put there is a 15 ampere fuse, and you check it. The cigarette lighter light is on and it's working. And thank you.